Good afternoon, guys. Bill McMillan here with IndyWX.com. Saturday afternoon on a busy Memorial Day and race weekend across central Indiana, just before 3 o'clock as we record this video update, and it's a warm and humid afternoon across central Indiana. Temperatures currently in the lower 80s, and we expect shower and thunderstorm activity to begin to increase across central Indiana over the next few hours, and the HRRR forecast radar here has a pretty good idea, I think, on what the radar may look like as we go into the afternoon and evening hours before the sun sets and storms begin to diminish as we go into the overnight hours. Now, it's not going to be any sort of uniform heavy rainfall event by any stretch of the imagination, but due to the fact that we are so humid and the air mass is so moist, we could see some localized heavy downpours across central Indiana as we go into the evening hours. The Storm Prediction Center highlights northeastern portions of the state for a marginal risk of severe weather tomorrow, primarily tomorrow afternoon. And obviously it's an important weather day across central Indiana with the race. So it's something that we definitely have a close eye on. I think with overall aerial coverage of thunderstorm activity tomorrow, it's not going to be as widespread as what we see here this afternoon and into the evening hours. That said, any thunderstorm that develops tomorrow afternoon could quickly pulse to a strong to severe level, and that's something that's certainly going to warrant our attention as we go into the afternoon and evening hours on Sunday. As far as what the radar may look like Sunday, this is a similar idea as the HRRR with those thunderstorms dying out during the overnight hours. We get off to a quiet, warm, and muggy start to the day, and then as we go into the afternoon hours, the high-resolution NAM is not as bullish on the chances of thunderstorms across Indiana. It keeps most of the activity to our east. However, just given the look of things, don't be surprised if we do see an isolated to widely scattered strong to severe thunderstorm across central and northeastern portions of the state tomorrow afternoon. Again, it's hard to pinpoint exactly where those storms develop, but as a whole, we keep an eye on east, central, and northeastern portions of the state for that activity tomorrow. It's going to be another warm day tomorrow as well. We think highs probably in the lower, potentially mid-80s, depending on how much sun we see. But there are changes looming next weekend for much cooler times as the positive PNA develops. The potential is there certainly for lows in the upper 40s and highs in the upper 60s to right around 70 as we go into the second week of June. Guys, make it a great afternoon. Be safe out there. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, and we'll talk with you soon on IndyWX.com.